Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you guys a little tutorial that I did using the crochet extension. So first off, I sprayed water and conditioner, warm water to be precise, and conditioner into my hair, and then I finger detangled a little bit so that my hair will be a little easier to work on. After that, I went in with my Eco Styler gel and I laid the bottom of my hair or the front of my hair, well, I don't know how to put it. I laid it down using the Eco Styler gel, and as you can see now, I'm spraying a little bit of water to make it a little damp so that the Eco Styler gel can really work on my hair. I brushed my hair down to lay it more. After that, I held it with a scrunchie and I made a little donut on top of my hair. As you can see, I am going in with the brush right now just to lay down more. Now that I'm done with my donut, I am gonna go ahead and then tie my hair down with a scarf, and then I'm going to use a blow dryer to dry it a little bit. I'm not going to use the hot air, I'm going to use the cold one or the warm one just to blow dry my hair, just to have it lay down more than just leave it like that. So now I'm gonna start putting in the crochet braids. So this is the free dress crochet extension, and as you can see now, I am putting in my crochet extension. So watch carefully on how I'm doing this. I put the needle underneath my hair and then put the extension on it and try to pull it through the space where the needle is, and then I tie it together. So I did this through my entire hair, and since I didn't have enough of the extensions, I decided to cut it and then make it a little short. That's gonna look a little bit nicer than leave it longer, since I don't have a lot of this extension. So this is how my final tutorial looks, or my final hairstyle looks. I love it and I hope you guys love it. But then if you want it fully, I suggest you get more extensions. So this is where I'm going to leave the video today. Don't forget to like, share and comment this video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Bye.